Historical foundations of perspective. The study of perspective has deep roots in philosophy, extending across metaphysics, epistemology, phenomenology, and the philosophy of mind. Although previous philosophers did not generally attempt to mathematically model perspective, many explored the fundamental relationship between observers, experience, and reality. The framework proposed in this paper builds upon these earlier investigations by treating perspective as an informational structure that can potentially be analyzed using mathematical and computational methods. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz provided one of the earliest philosophical models resembling a theory of multiple perspectives. His concept of monads proposed that reality consists of individual centers of perception, each representing the universe from its own unique viewpoint. Although all monads reflect the same underlying reality, each expresses that reality differently according to its internal structure. This idea closely parallels the central argument of this paper. A single reality may generate an unlimited number of perspectives without requiring multiple realities. Immanuel Kant further developed the relationship between observer and reality by arguing that human experience is shaped by the mind's own organizing structures. According to Kant, humans do not experience reality independently of perception. Rather, experience is filtered through fundamental categories such as space, time, and causality. Within the framework proposed here, these categories can be understood as foundational dimensions of perspective that influence how information is received and interpreted. Edmund Husserl introduced phenomenology as the systematic study of conscious experience from the first-person viewpoint. Husserl argued that experience must be analyzed according to the relationship between consciousness and the objects of awareness. His work emphasized that every experience has an intentional structure involving the observer and the experienced world. This concept aligns with the definition of perspective proposed in this paper, where perspective is modeled as the complete informational state through which an observer experiences and interprets reality. Friedrich Nietzsche developed the concept of perspectivism, arguing that human knowledge is always approached from a particular viewpoint rather than from a completely neutral position. Nietzsche suggested that interpretations are influenced by individual circumstances, values, and experiences. While perspectivism traditionally focuses on the limitations of human knowledge, the present framework extends the idea by examining whether perspectives themselves can be represented as structured informational states. William James contributed to the understanding of perspective through his study of consciousness and the stream of experience. James argued that consciousness is not a collection of fixed states, but an ongoing flow of thoughts, sensations, and experiences. This idea supports the dynamic model of perspective proposed in this paper, where the perspective of an observer changes continuously through time. Thomas Nagel examined the uniqueness of subjective experience through his exploration of consciousness and the question of what it is like to experience the world from another viewpoint. Nagel demonstrated that every conscious being possesses a particular way of experiencing reality that cannot be completely reduced to an external description. This supports the argument that perspectives represent genuine informational states rather than merely different opinions about the same information. Alfred North Whitehead developed process philosophy, which emphasized that reality is not composed only of static objects, but also of continuously changing relationships and events. This perspective complements the dynamic model presented in this paper, where perspective is understood as an evolving informational process, rather than a permanent state. Together, these philosophical traditions establish an intellectual foundation for the theory of perspective space. Earlier philosophers primarily examined the meaning and limitations of perspective, whereas this paper extends the discussion by proposing that perspectives may be represented as structured informational states. By combining philosophical analysis with mathematical modeling and artificial intelligence, perspective can be explored not only as a subjective experience but also as a potentially measurable phenomenon.